Guys, you don't understand what happens. You don't. If you read the title, yeah, there's a bad taste in my mouth. If you read the title, I got attacked by chickens. Chickens. Yeah. You hear that? I gotta run. Oh God! God! Ow! I fell and ow! Oh God! Oh! Guys, they're attacking me! They're attacking me! Guys, I gotta hide. Gotta hide. Okay, there. I'm hiding behind the pot. Okay, guys, I'm hiding behind the pot. Back there. I don't know if you guys saw, but there's a chickens right in front of me. If you guys want to see, I'm gonna sneak the camera out. Okay. If you guys can see them. Like, oh God, they're gonna attack me. Oh God, they're looking for me. Look at that one. Oh my God, this is so. Oh God, they just ate each other. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see me very much. The sun's raising. Oh God. Wait. Oh God, guys, they see me. They're coming for me. Oh God, that one doesn't see me, but oh God, guys, if I die, I'm sorry, but if I die, hello. Oh God, no, wait, guys, I'm getting attacked by chickens. Oh God, no, guys, no. Help me, no, don't do that. Oh God, I'm getting eaten alive. Oh God. Oh God. Guys, I got attacked. I got attacked. They tried force feeding me chicken feed. He was trying to make me drink dirty water. I had a bad taste in my mouth. But oh God. Oh guys, I'm so dirty. As you can see, what's the end of it? It's an airplane. Help me, airplane! Okay, guys. I'm gonna try to dust me off. Oh God. Oh, ew. Why did that? Okay, guys. I died. I almost died. You know, remember that video I showed you? The chickens got attacked. My chickens. The video called just chickens. They attacked me. What does a steer think? He's a statue. Don't worry. Deer. What do you think? Or I think that. What the heck? I think that Is there a bee on my behinds? Oh God. No, I don't think there's a bee on your behinds. Okay, thanks. Okay, that was much of nothing. That was such a rough day. Well, there's nothing else to show you. My chickens attacked me. They tried making me eat grass. And that was it. I think they're in their home, which is that barn. And, okay. There's bees all around me, guys. Okay, well, that was it for this video. Like if you feel bad for me. This could have been clickbait. No, I didn't. This might be clickbait, but it isn't. My chickens attack me, and yeah. If you want to see part 2, the chicken attack, well, just like, it doesn't matter. Like if you want to see part 2, and yeah, that's it. Peace out. Wait, before we go, I'm gonna be sponsoring Hardee's. You've seen it in 2 videos, I think. Seen Hardee's drinks and Hardee's food, probably, and my other videos. And yes, I know that it's a little bit too late to say that, but I'm sponsoring Hardee's today. And the reason why I'm sponsoring it is because, well, Hardee's is a great place to get a meal. It's a great place to get some sandwiches. It's a great place to get some Coke. It's a great place to get some gravy and biscuit. It's a great place to get hash browns. It's awesome. Oh yeah, and McDonald's, it's okay. I like you too, but I like Hardee's better. But actually, no, I don't like Hardee's better. I just like them even. So yeah, that's it for this video. And if you like, just please like, if you want to see part 2 of this. It's pretty, oh god, guys, hurry up, the chickens are attacking me! Ah!